How are you feeling today?
Good. Only slightly hungover. But I forgot I had lines in this movie.
Yeah.
Man. Not looking forward to that part.
It's gonna be a long one.
Well, they're waiting for the actress to show up because she's late, so everyone's just kind of fucking around.
Okay.
It's a heartfelt scene. A lot of emotion, a lot of
It wouldn't be fun if it were for real.
Okay, lift your arm up and just turn around. No, the other way. Yeah.
Want to say go live?
Do that again. The whole.
I got family on Facebook, man.
Just do it one more time. Just make it.
Okay, today we're going to shoot the lesbian scene.
Lesbian scene? I thought you did that in the last one.
Well, yeah, of course we did. You have to do that in every film. So today we're shooting the lesbian scene.
Okay, well, no offense to you, but, I mean, she's pregnant, and you want her to smoke pot?
Yeah.
Tell a line.
Don't you think that would be? Don't
you think that's going to make people, like, uncomfortable?
Yeah, well that's the point. Blah blah. Art? Say yes, it's art.
Art.
And
Awesome.
fine, what are we doing?
Okay, so, fine, what are we doing?
Well, in the scene today, you get high while you're fisting her, and you yank her baby out of her and you eat it. Then it cuts. So we have
There you
to
go.
we have to do that all in one take.
Okay, awesome. Perfect. We're ready to do this with what?